It was the December of 1963 in the Mediterranean nation of Cyprus, which had recently gained its independence from the British Empire on August the 16th, 1960. It was the early hours of 21st December 1963, an incident in the capital city of Nicosia that had put the nation, which was already in a mess, to an all-out civil war. Before going any further into what followed the fateful night, let us look into the situation that Cyprus was presently in. Cyprus was under the rule of Ottoman Empire for 3 centuries since 1571. It was in 1878 when it was placed under British administration before being formally annexed in 1914. Majority of the population of Cyprus were Greek Cypriots, with Turkish Cypriots forming around 18%, while some minor population of Armenian Cypriots also existed. Ever since the 1950s, both Greece and Turkey started ascertaining their right over the island nation. EOKA, the Greek Cypriot nationalist organization led by Gregoris Grivas, started their campaign against the colonial power in the year 1955, with their aim to unite Cyprus with Greece, which they called the Enosis. At the same time, the Turkish resistance organization TMT was established with their call for Turkism. Turkism became the slogan that the Turkish Cypriot rebels pitched against the call of Enosis by their Greek counterparts. With the situation worsening every day, the British governor placed the state under emergency on the 26th of November 1955. For the next 4 years, the Greek EOKA, however, continued its attacks on the British forces. It became apparent that Britain was likely to give away its hold on the state, and so both Greece and Turkey started voicing their claims on Cyprus as a part of their territory. But eventually none got hold of it, and Cyprus became an independent state on August 16, 1960, through the Zurich and London agreements, where both Greece and Turkey, along with Britain, were placed as guarantors of the island's integrity. Some of the crucial points of the agreement and the subsequently drafted constitution were that both Turkism and Enosis shall be prohibited. The Greek and Turkish forces will be present in Cyprus in a ratio of 3:2. A Greek Cypriot elected by the Greek Cypriot population will be the president, and a Turkish Cypriot elected by the Turkish Cypriot population will be elected as the vice president. Any decision will need the support of the absolute majority of the cabinet, consisting of 7 Greek Cypriot and 3 Turkish Cypriot, but the president and vice president will have the right to veto. Archbishop Marcius III was sworn in as the president and Dr. Fazil Kuzuk as the vice president. The United Kingdom, however, had to keep both of its military bases of Akrotiri and Dhekelia. This arrangement was, however, unable to reconcile either of the population, and plans to establish Enosis started brewing among the Greek Cypriot members of the cabinet. They thus developed the Akritas plan, by which they planned to force all the Turkish Cypriot members out of the government. As the Akritas plan was put into action in the November of 1963, bringing about a set of constitutional amendments that seized many of the special provisions of the Turkish Cypriots, the whole country again erupted into chaos. This led to the fateful night of December 20, 1963, when, in the early hours of December 21st, 2 Turkish Cypriots were returning home in a taxi. They were stopped by Greek Cypriot police from a patrol post within the old Venetian walls of Nicosia. The police then seemed to have demanded to see the identification papers of the passengers, and while he was attempting to search the woman in the car, the driver objected and a heated argument erupted. Within no time, a large crowd started gathering around the scene, and shots were fired, resulting in the death of the 2 Turkish Cypriots and injuring 8 others. This marked the beginning of the 10 years of unrest in the island nation. What followed this bloody Christmas and how it affected the state of affairs of the country of Cyprus, we will be looking at in the next episode.